नेत्रदान हमेशा डेथ के बाद होता है और वो आपकी आई हमेशा यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं. So if somebody's restful eye is used for the useful thing, it is a very noble thing. So definitely, मैं आपको एक छोटी सी स्टोरी सुनाऊंगी. When I was lecturer, I think 80. Then I operated one girl of 5 years. She was, I will not tell the girl, but she was living in the PHA area. She was only 5 years. I did the keratoplasty in her. She was into bilateral blindness. In one eye, I did it. When she came recently, after 50 years, I couldn't recognize because the time she was a small girl. She told me, madam, I am the same Gayatri who came on the day and you operated me. I can see everything. And she brought her grandson to this show because he was having the same problem with the cornea. So I told, you did only one eye, why you have not for the other eye? So what was her answer, you know? She told, madam, if I can use one eye, why I should not use the other eye for some other person? I think the other can be benefited with it. So see the selflessness of that lady, that she is not taking the other eye, she wanted it should be used by the other eye. So we should have the same zeal, same feeling that the eye should not go west and it should be used forever. Now, I will start a small clipping. There are so many causes of blindness. Cataract is a very common. Then retinal diseases are there. So many causes of the blindness. Most common is the cataract. Can you hear me? The glaucoma and the most common is the corneal problem. Now here we are dealing with the corneal problem. Cornea is nothing but the glass-like structure which is visible like glass, but it is not like cake. If you put the finger on it, the impression will come. So it is very, very delicate. Now in the world you will see the total blindness is 50 million. India has 10 million. And corneal blindness in India is 1. So 1% corneal blindness is there in India. Then 1 million are blind. Then you will see every year 30 to 40,000 new patients are coming and adding to this problem. So what is there? Demand is too much, but supply is not there. Now what happens? If supply is not there, how will you correct it? Problem is that nobody is donating the eyes. And that's why you will see if somebody will donate the eye, with one person, one dead body, you can replace the cornea of 2 persons. You can make 2 persons live, visible, so they can see, you can give the sight to them. With one disease or one death, you can give sight to 2 persons. But this is not possible. Now, you can see, we remove the cornea and we replace the cornea with the dead body's cornea. This is the opaque cornea on the left side. In the right side, it is a transparent. What you will see, after replacing it, you see on the right side, the upper one. The transplant is done and you can see it is replaced by the transparent cornea. If there is a curtain in front of your door, you will not see anything else. So corneal blindness is same. Even if inside eye is normal and cornea is opaque, you will not see. But if you remove the curtain, you will be able to see everything clearly. So corneal transplantation is just changing the curtain of the eyeball. Now you can see in the lower picture also the stitches are applied and the central portion is clear. Next. Now what is the problem? Scenario is this. Requirement of the cornea is 1 lakh, while we are getting only 37,000. And utilization is 50%. Because whatever cornea we are getting, it is not usable. Either we are getting very late, so it becomes so big, or the donor is suffering from infected disease or tumors, cancers, or HIV, anything, so we cannot put it. So 50% utilization means we are using only 18,000 cornea in 1 lakh needy persons. And now you will see how much death occurs. They say 8 per 1,000 death occurs. So in this populated country, how many deaths are occur daily? And we are getting only 30,000 cornea. So this is really a pitiable position. If we take the oath that everybody should donate the cornea, I don't think this backlog will last long, and we will get, I think we will finish in 1 or 2 months. So this is the thing. See now, there are 52 million impaired people in India, and number of donors per year is just 40,000. So this is very bad condition. What is the cause? Lack of awareness, misconception, religious apprehension, and lack of information. This I think Dr. Sandeep Jain will tell you what are the. So the key to the solution is the general practitioners. We are ophthalmologists, we can do the surgery, but we cannot convince the patient before death. So when somebody is admitted in the ICU, or when some general practitioners and ICU persons, they know the prognosis of the person, or if accidental persons are coming, they can just give a hint that if you want to see the eye of your loving person after death, you can give the cornea. So by the help of the general practitioner, by the help of ICU doctors, by the help of the trauma unit, we can give the cornea. The family doctor is trusted by the family of the disease, and in position to suggest eye donation at the time of death. See, some families are having doctors, they can suggest it. This is the solution. Next. So I think we should make this a havan, that every person should make the cornea of their relatives after death, and they should be convinced by the religious person also. If the Shamshan Ghat, then somebody is going, they should say, speak this not for that person, that whenever somebody dies, the cornea should be donated so that they can use the cornea and they can see the cornea of that dead body of their relatives in the future also. Next. Anyone can be a donor irrespective of the age, sex and gender. Even the religion doesn't matter, because cornea is cornea, blood is blood. So when we can take the blood of any religion, why we can't take the cornea? We have seen that nobody is giving the cornea. Some religions, they say no, it is not a good thing to take the part of the body. It is not good, but this is not good. So we should take the cornea. Anybody can take it, any age. Only the cornea should be healthy. Any sex, even after surgery, if cornea is healthy, we can take it. But who cannot give this? One should know. Any infected diseases like hepatitis, AIDS, encephalitis, leukemia, leukinoblastoma, that is a tumor of the eye, or any type of the cancer or HIV. So, because this will transfer the disease from the donor to the recipient. So, this we should not take. But what we are doing, we are checking the blood of the dead body. immediately before removing the cornea for the HIV, for the hepatitis B, for incompatibilities, and then we see if it is everything is clear. It doesn't require time to remove it. Some says it will require so much time to remove the cornea, or you will have to take the dead body to the hospital for removing the cornea. So this is not correct. We can remove in the place of the dead person. It will take only 10 to 15 minutes, and we collect the blood, and then we get tested, and we immediately replace it with in the rest. Only the precautions should be taken that the eye should be closed immediately after death, so that the cornea will not dry. And raise the head of the deceased person by his pillow and inform the nearest eye bank. Eye banks are everywhere in all the medical colleges. So it is better to inform anywhere that we have a cornea to donate. If you want, please come. So team will go there. They will not take the person anywhere. The team will go there and procure the cornea. Eye donation activity, eye donation call, name of the donor, time of death, cause of death, and at least she should be informed. Because in summers we cannot keep cornea for 2 to 3 hours more than, because the bacteria will come. In cold season we can take for after 4 to 6 hours. And in the old person sometimes cornea is decompensated. And the time of death is also important, and then the disease by which the patient suffers. So these things should be, they should be there. Next. Now, I will come, leave the team immediately after the phone, and they will procure the cornea. So one thing is there, we should always think, our aim should be, no anybody should burn or bury before giving the cornea or the awareness donation to the needy person. If we think like that, I think it will be a big work for the human being and a person gets healed. I will again remind you that the corneal blindness is common in children, and children are having a big future. And the government of India is giving only 5 rupees for the nutrition of a blind person. So see, 5 rupees person, he will not be able to eat anything, and his productive life will be wasted. So if we can give the vision to that person, he can survive and live a healthy life. Thank you.